going.
Hello everybody, this is Karen from Sew and Save, and we are here today to talk about jackets. I have just come back from Quilt Market and the big word is jackets. Jackets and vests. Vests count too. Vests were big and jackets were big, so we want to do maybe a little pop-up sale and talk to you a little bit about some fun jacket fabric that we have and jacket patterns that we have here at Sew and Save that we want to share with you. So we have several jacket patterns. So this is the quilted hoodie, it's called, and I made this out of, I think it's called paper something. Paper Hamlet. And this is from Moda. And this fabric I made kind of scrappy, so I cut up some of the Paper Hamlet fabric to make my fabric panels. You don't have to do that. You can make it out of one plain fabric, one piece of fabric, and make this really cute hoodie jacket. Really fun, simple pattern, easy to do. So this was the quilted hoodie. So really fun and simple to do. This little vest was fun as well. They took and they sewed for the front all kinds of little squares together. Well, I don't have a lot of time to do that. So I made my pockets out of this beautiful fabric. This is also from Moda. This is just plain fabric, and then I used some Zen Chic linen to make the body of my vest. So lots of ways to combine canvas fabrics, and I'll show you some of the other canvas fabrics that we have as well. So you can combine canvas fabric and regular fabrics together to make your jackets and vests. So there's that. We also, of course, have the really popular Bella Coat quilt made out of the new Tula Pink fabrics, which we have. They just came in. So this is Coral Reef, Floral Reef actually, and that's of course from Tula Pink. Super fun and fabulous. So those are very bright fabrics. We also have the zippers that go along with it. So we have the Tula Tomato zippers that go with it, and all of the really super cute. Can you see them? Oh, there you go. Yep, I guess you can't see them unless I hold them sideways. Really fun zippers that go along that you can use in your jackets and things. So there's those, as well as all of the Biani zippers. We have the separating Biani zippers that go along with to make the jackets. So I also want to tell you that this week, which is Monday, May 18th through Saturday, May 23rd, if you come in and pick up a jacket pattern, and we have a couple other ones coming in today, jacket or vest, and the fabric to go with your jacket and vest, you get 20% off. So come on in, pick up a jacket and vest pattern, and pick out a beautiful fabric and make a jacket or vest and get 20% off. But let me show you some other fabrics. Maybe you're not one of these bright people who want these bright and funky Tula Pink fabrics. We just got in some beautiful fabric from Henry Glass. And this is your Kim Deal. So you could go really warm and natural with that. So there's those. Then we're going to come back around. Here's another little very just kind of deconstructed jacket. We did this with a cheater panel. This is just really simple, no zipper needed. So just really super simple jacket, really fun to make. So these are some other fabrics in case you're just not really super bright. These are the Zen Chic fabrics that are kind of the canvasy fabrics, a little bit heavier, so they make a really nice jacket. When I make my jackets, I put flannel in between instead of batting, so it makes my jackets really nice and comfy to wear and not too heavy and hot. Here's another little line. This is the new Jason Yenter line, so you get some really pretty prints. They kind of look like batiks, but without that crispiness of batiks. But of course, you know we have a beautiful lines of batiks in our store. Here's another kind of linen-y, canvasy fabrics from Moda. beautiful jackets, beautiful prints, beautiful lining fabric, and another beautiful print over here that would make a beautiful jacket. If you have troubles kind of putting fabrics and colors and choices together, just ask the girls. We're always very willing to help you put things together to make a beautiful jacket. This is also a beautiful warm line of fabric. This from Kansas Trouble, a beautiful jacket. What a beautiful floral print to make a beautiful jacket. And then like some beautiful coordinating fabrics to use as bindings as well. So stop in, pick out some fabrics, grab your pattern. This week between the 18th and the 23rd of May, that's Monday through Saturday, you'll get 20% off your jacket pattern and the fabrics to go with, and of course your zippers and anything else that you need. And come on in, use your creativity, make some beautiful jackets. It's still chilly out, so you know you're gonna need a jacket. So come on in and let us help you put something together. See you soon.